Stop learning to code the wrong way. You're wasting your goddamn time. But don't worry, in this video I will reveal to you the #1 reason that kept me years without being able to center a div on my own. First, let me ask you something. When you watch a tutorial, do you feel like you're almost knew every single line of code that dude wrote? But when you try it yourself, you feel like you don't know shit, right? If that's you, then congratulations, you're stuck in tutorials hell. But what is tutorials hell? Well, it's basically the ability to follow a specific tutorial when learning to code but not being able to do any kind of projects on your own. And to get out of it, you need some steps. First, change the way you learn. Like if you're just watching without doing anything about the tutorial, you're gonna end up getting around 5 to 10% of its value. Even if you're coding along with the tutorial, you're only getting around 40 to 60% of its value. But if you want to get its real value, you have to do what I tell you exactly. Once you found a tutorial that is 2, 3, 6 hours long, don't open it right away and start implementing. You're not gonna understand anything like that. Start by preparing yourself mentally. If it's late, don't watch it. Just watch a couple minutes to get an idea about it. If you're sick, don't watch it. You're not gonna understand anything. If you're ready and you feel like it's the perfect time, start by looking at the technologies used in the project. If you don't know one of them, take a crash course on it first. For example, if the project contained Tailwind CSS and you don't know it, you can watch my 7-minute Tailwind tutorial or any other crash course, for example. Because if you don't do it, you will end up copying code that you don't actually know what it does. Now you know all the technologies used in the project, it's time to see how old is this video. If it's published more than 1 year ago, it's probably better not to watch it, cause you'll get stuck somewhere because he might use a concept that is no longer supported, or any problem like that. But if you know how to read the documentations and you can get yourself out of it, then go for it. Now, everything is ready. You opened the tutorial and started working along with him, hoping that you will put it in your portfolio and get your dream job. But after a while, you found out that you don't understand a singular shit about what you're writing, even though you know every line of code. But the overall idea, you're not getting it. You just keep wondering, how the hell did this human being get that specific idea and implement it as code? Well, I have two solutions for you. The first one is that you need to rewatch every part that you don't understand multiple times until you understand. Trust me, you will. Now, the second solution is you don't have to worry about it because it's just lack of experience. When you begin to implement projects, you probably not gonna understand everything. Just try your best and you will get to it. Now, what if you understand but you still cannot code on your own? Well, that means one of the following. You programmed your mind on not doing anything on its own. Basically, your mind is in its comfort zone. Or you just have lack of skills. And luckily for you, both of those are fixable. You just need to do one thing. Sharpen your coding skills and get the out of your comfort zone. If you know HTML and CSS and JavaScript, don't get into React right away. You still don't know shit. Get an idea on algorithms and data structures. Focus on making good functionality. Keep learning until you find yourself being able to create projects on your own, like a to-do list app or a note app or a basic shopping cart. Then you can get back to your framework. Now, to summarize what we said: 1. Don't rush. It takes time. 2. Get the hell out of your comfort zone. 3. Make yourself comfortable with the fundamentals. 4. Don't copy code you don't understand. 5. Practice more. Anyways guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel to become a better developer, and I'll see you in the next one.